What if you could fix your website's SEO with just one click? Well, we all know that SEO is important so that you can rank high on the page here. You want to rank first. You want to rank on the first page so that you can get more traffic, more sales, more clients, all the things that you want to get. Well, there is a new SEO AI agent where you can do just that. With just a couple of clicks, you can fix your page SEO and rank higher, get more traffic, get more sales. So what am I talking about? Well, it's Arvow. There's a link below. You can try this thing out. You can also get a discount. There's a code and a link below, so you can try it out for free and get 10% off as well, because this is an amazing tool with a lot of features that you can use, and this is just one of the many features, which is the Site Optimizer. So you would go into the Site Optimizer tab, and you can create a site optimizer for as many websites as you want. You would basically set it up here. You would name it, include your website URL, your language, the max number of pages, sitemap URL as well, which helps analyze all of your pages on your site and optimize all the pages on your site. So you would create that, and again, you can see there's many in here that I've already created, but here's how this works. Once you have the Site Optimizer created, you would then go into it, and you can see all of the requested or the recommended changes that you need to make to your website. And you can make these with just one click, which makes it super easy. You don't even have to understand or really know anything about SEO to be able to do this and optimize your site with just a couple of clicks and make your website better than your competition's website. So you have the opportunity to rank a lot higher and get a lot more traffic. So here's how it works. You can analyze your pages and you can reanalyze your pages. And this is the nice thing about this is you can keep reanalyzing your pages and make tweaks to further improve your SEO. But basically how this works is it's broken down by different tabs. So this is starting with page titles, which is really important. And it'll have all of your pages with the current titles, and then it'll have your suggested titles. And this is really important so you can kind of see where you're at and where you want to go. And the nice thing about this, which is really kind of next level that I love, is the fact that you can have a why. Basically, it tells you why it is requesting the recommended changes. So it's explaining why you should make these changes and why it's going to benefit you to make these changes. So you're not kind of shooting in the dark, not being like, well, I don't know if this is the right change. I don't understand the change. So not only can you make the changes that are important to improve your website, you can start to understand why it is important to improve your website. And then you can apply the changes. You can click here to apply the changes, or you can select here to just do the changes that you want to do. You don't have to do all the ones that you that are on here. These are just recommended changes. So however you want to do it, you can also select here to do all the ones, or you can individually select them or select them on the right. So that's basically how it works. Very, very easy to do, very simple to do. So that's page titles. It'll do all of your page titles. Meta descriptions, which is also very, very important, because this is how the the search engines find you with how you're describing your pages. So again, current description, suggested description, current description, suggested description. So you can individually select these. You can individually apply these if you want, or you can select all of these, and then it'll create a tab of the ones that you applied, so you can kind of keep track. So if you want to apply some and then come back and apply other ones, it'll keep track so you know what is going on here. Chronological URLs as well, same thing. Not as widely used as the other ones. Image alt text. This is really important because if you're not using alt text for your images, you're really kind of missing the boat as far as getting extra keywords in your website. So this will outline all of the images and all of the alt text. Suggested alt text, which is really important. And most people use this that just don't realize they don't have alt text, because you're adding images, you may forget to add alt text. So this is an easy way to kind of go back and just clean up your website and get a lot of alt text in your images. Internal links is really important as well. So it has the suggested anchor text and then the target URL, so you can kind of clean up your internal links and do a better job linking your pages together. FAQs, if you want to do that, and then article schema as well. So these are the main ones that it does, where you can go through and kind of basically clean up your website And if you forget kind of what these, how to use this or how to apply these, there's a tutorial video up here as well. There's also documentation as well. And you can further configure this however you want to configure this. So you can increase your max pages, you can add your sitemap URL, website URL, so you can further configure this. You can do data integrations as well, SEMrush, refs. If you have any of these resources, Google Analytics, these are all coming soon where you can integrate these data to further enhance kind of how this is optimizing your website. Then it shows you how to install this. So there's a full tutorial. Basically, you just go in and install this code in the head tag on your title. It's pretty easy. You copy it, just go to and install it in the head of your website, and there you go, and you can start running this. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can optimize your website in just a couple of clicks. Again, there is a link below so that you are able to do this. You can set this up. This is one of the many features on here. This also has another big tool of this, and one of the main things that people use this for outside of optimizing the website is blog automation. So that's another thing that you can do with this tool and create valuable content that's generated by AI, but doesn't seem like it's AI because it's very thorough, very easy to use, and you can generate content based on keywords, based on titles, and basically optimize your content for those keywords so that people are finding the valuable content when they're searching for it, and then they're going to come back and land on your website, book your services, buy your stuff, do the things that you want to do. So you would basically go in here and you would do an SEO article. You can select your keyword or title. You have to at least put in a keyword. It'll generate a title for you, and then you can generate blog articles and post them automatically on your website. So you can go to basically set this up, and it'll auto blog to your website as many times as you want, per day, per week, per month, or you can do it manually. But you can see the generations, and you can integrate with your website, so you don't have to manually post these. It'll link with your website. So here's like an example of a generated article. This is Blogspot versus WordPress. You can see this is in another language, which is nice. If you have markets across different languages, you can do one in Spanish, you can do one in English, one in French, whatever you want to do. So this one is in another language, but you can do multiple articles, as many articles as you want. But let's find one that is not in another language here. Here's one we did for Realtor. So this is the top 5 things to look at when buying a new home. So I'll break this is all SEO optimized. So it targets the different keywords. You can have internal links. You can tie it into a relevant YouTube article, which it does, or a YouTube video, which it does for you. Has AI generated images. You can add your own images or stock images, alt text behind the scenes. Again, another internal link, another image. So really valuable, high quality articles. It has tables, has graphs. So it does this all for you. Meta description. So literally all you have to do is put in a keyword and or title. It'll generate the article and automatically post it to your website for you, so you can capitalize on those keywords and start to get more traffic, rank higher than your competition. So it's really easy to use. So that's the main use. There are lots of features of this. So this is the AI SEO machine that's a must for any business trying to get more traffic and rank higher. So it's multifaceted, but again, there's a link below. You can try this thing out. You won't regret it. It's a great way to grow your business and a great way to improve your business. So make sure you guys check it out. There's another video here if you want to rank your local business and crush your competition in just a few steps. So it's an easy to follow walkthrough video on how to do that. If you have a local brick and mortar business, make sure you check out this video. Outside of that, I'll be back with another good video for you guys to help grow your business.